We talk a lot about saving the world, but have you looked at your plate lately? You might have heard of SDG 3 for health, but today I'm talking about the foundation of health, SDG 2 Zero Hunger. Think about this. We produce enough food to feed 10 billion people, yet nearly 10% of the world goes to bed hungry. That's not a production failure, that's a human failure. Let's talk about how we fix it. I choose to advocate for zero hunger because it is the gateway goal. You can have quality education or good health if a child is too hungry to focus. Zero hunger means more than just ending starvation. It's about food security, making sure food is available, accessible, and nutritious for everyone, regardless of their zip code. It's about building a world where a drought or a price hike doesn't mean a family stop eating. So, why is this still happening in 2026? Cause 1. Climate change. Floods and heat waves are killing crops faster than we can replant them. Cause 2. Conflict. War disrupt supply chains and forces farmers off their land. Cause 3. Economic equality. Food exists but people simply can afford it. The effect is a cycle. Malnutrition leads to stunt growth and cognitive issue in kids, which leads to lower learning potential as adults, which keeps the next generation in poverty. We have to break the chain. As a student and Gen Z, we are the most connected generation in history. We fight by becoming conscious consumers. Stop and think, do you really need that extra portion? In Global North, we waste nearly $1 trillion worth of food every year. Now, as a hospitality management student, this hits home. Our industry is the gatekeeper of food. We are the one who decided what goes on the menu and what goes in the trash. In my future career, I'm not just managing a hotel or a restaurant. I'm managing resources. I can implement circular economy practices like composting organic waste using ugly procedure that others reject, and training staff or portion control. Hospitality can be a leader in a sustainability, not a contributor to waste. Zero hunger is possible, but it requires a change in how we value food. It's time to move from taking to sustaining. Follow for more. We can reach the 2030 goals together. What's your first step? Let's talk in the comments.